This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, May 21st. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather radically different today. Most of the state with nothing but sunshine, a few showers near the Gulf Coast, but a lot of questions about the upcoming Memorial Day weekend. So let's see if we can dig up some answers here. Here's the upper air look today. And the upper trough that broke the severe storms and tornadoes to Alabama yesterday and last night, that's rotating north away from us. And we have a zonal flow and a ridge over the Gulf of Mexico and a very dry air mass over the northern two-thirds of the state. Nothing but sunshine. However, we have some clouds over South Alabama and a few showers are moving quickly eastward along the Gulf Coast, parts of coastal Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, Mobile, and Baldwin counties in the Florida Panhandle. And those should be ending soon. And just about everybody statewide should be dry tomorrow. Got mostly upper 70s and low 80s today. Birmingham at 80, Huntsville 79, Mobile 78 because of clouds and showers, Dothan at 85. Very quiet day around the nation. That's the watch warning map. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. Several risks to the east of Alabama and back to the west, but again, we have no severe weather issues here. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms out around Dallas-Fort Worth, parts of Texas, South Oklahoma, and southwest Arkansas. And on day 3, which is Friday, got a marginal risk over parts of the Florida Peninsula, the Great Plains, and West Texas. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. For North Alabama, the northern two-thirds of the state, rain amounts about 1 to 2 inches, under 1 inch for South and Southeast Alabama. So model fans, here we go. GFS 12Z run tomorrow at 4. Got an upper low that's over the Great Lakes into New England. But again, for Alabama, we are in a very dry air mass. Should be a nice day. The sky mostly sunny. Will be in the mid-80s. And then Friday, an air mass change. We'll call it partly sunny with highs in the upper 70s for the northern counties of the state. Many spots will likely be in the 50s early Friday morning. But what about the weekend? So here we go. This is Saturday, and we are going to mention a chance of showers for the northern two-thirds of the state. It will not rain all day, not necessarily raining everywhere, but showers will likely be around with highs in the 80s. And the same thing on Sunday. We'll mention a chance of showers for basically the northern two-thirds of the state. The Gulf Coast looking dry with a ridge, highs in the 80s. And really the same thing on Memorial Day on Monday. A chance of showers, and again, the better chance over the northern half of the state, but like Saturday and Sunday, not raining all day and not necessarily raining everywhere. Highs will likely be in the 80s. So for the weekend, partly sunny with a few showers around each day. And then Tuesday, a surface front will be pushing in here. That will most likely bring a better coverage of showers and thunderstorms. And then a week from today, Wednesday, May 28th, upper low this over New England. And a pretty dry air mass pushes in here and a cooler air mass. Many North Alabama communities will see highs in the 70s, lows getting back down in the 50s. And let's keep going 10 days out. This is Saturday, May 31st, the final day of meteorological spring. How about that? And if this is right, there is a ridge in the west, a trough in the east, including the deep south. And if that's right, should be mostly dry with very comfortable temperatures at the end of May. Rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. The mean, it's a little over 2 inches between now and the 5th of June. Temperatures off the NBM, National Blend of Models. Mid-80s tomorrow. Around 80 on Friday. Then we get up in the upper 80s on Sunday. And next week, highs go back in the upper 70s by Wednesday and Thursday. And just in latest long-range guidance, May 29th through June 4th. Hey, we're in the blue circle. And again, anytime you see a blue circle on top of us in June, that's a good thing. That means temperatures below average. So let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. I got the pre-K students at the Gadsden Center of the University of Alabama today, and the mamas and the daddies in the room. Yes, sir, big day. They're getting set to graduate from pre-K, and I love these goodies. Cupcakes, cookies. Wow, what a bonanza. But, you know, they're getting set to graduate. They're moving on to kindergarten, but these kids they love to talk about weather and learn about weather. We talked about how storms are good, a vital part of the water cycle. Talked about hurricanes, winter storms, much more. A lot of fun today in late May. So again, to all these students at the University of Alabama Gadsden Center, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You guys are looking good. So tomorrow will be really the last school group of the year, the school year. I'll be at Valley Creek Baptist Church in Hueytown. This is a homeschool group, the Valley Creek Homeschool Co-op. And after that, the next time we'll see students for a school program will be in August when the next school year begins. But the summer is jam-packed with summer programs. And we do not have a book signing this Saturday. In fact, it really looks like the next book signing probably will be at some point in July. Looks like it's going to be July 12th, and we're going to be, just a little heads up here, we're going to be down in Washington County in southwest Alabama at the Chatham Library, Chatham, Alabama, July 12th. That'll be a fun Saturday. Love coming to see my friends in Washington County. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, right across the hall, Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.